Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, children. Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Good evening. Right, children. Previous class, what are the points we are in? What we're supposed to start? I think. Yeah, I gave some task for you. Did you complete it, children? Aishwarya, Advika, Ashwat.
I was
Good.
absent now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We are in HCF, highest common factor, using just common factors, finding common factors, and from that, among that, a common factor, how you are supposed to find out common factor. From that, which is the highest common, that part was done. Okay, let me see the next one. If the numbers are so big, how you are supposed to calculate the highest common factor? That's one thing. And what is LCM?
Ma'am, LCM is least common factor.
Yes, ma. What is the other name for HCF?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. LCM is least common multiple.
Very good. It's least common multiple. What she said, same thing, right?
Ma'am, factor she told.
LCM, least common multiple. What is HCF?
Highest
common divisor.
GCD or HCF. There are two names, dual names for that. HCF or GCD, right, children. We are with, let me present my screen so we can go ahead with the. You're able to, I'm sharing screen, right, children? No. Okay. Okay, right. Thank you, Adri, for timely response.
Ma'am, this is Sritej. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Sritej, please, beta.
Ma'am, I was absent the last class, so
Last class, okay. Last class, once again, we recollected the prime numbers between 1 to 100 and few questions on prime numbers. Why? Because there is a word co-prime. Co-prime means, what is co-prime, children? Other day I gave the definition twice, thrice, many times I gave the last
Ma'am,
class.
zero is a
Yeah. Only one can respond. Advika, what are co-primes?
Ma'am, actually, I am little bit confused with the co-primes. Like, are the prime numbers actually the co-primes?
Absolutely good question by you, Advika. Suppose if you take like numbers like 3 and 5, 3 and 5 only, yes, we can say absolutely those are co-prime numbers. Yes. For 3, what are the factors for 3, 1 and 3? For 5, 1 and 5. What is the common factor for 3 and 5? 1.
Ma'am,
There is, yeah, it's highest common also 1. So what we can, two prime numbers are always?
ma'am, in the sense like the pair, one pair of prime numbers can make co-prime.
Yes, absolutely. We can. Those are the points we need to discuss. Definitely very good question by Advika. Good. That's the observation by the students. You people can take not only those two prime numbers, other prime numbers like 11 and 13. You see, what are the factors for 11, Aishwarya? Aishwarya, what are the factors for 11?
Ma'am, 1 and 11.
What are factors for 13, Adrit?
Ma'am, 1.
Think about 13 is a prime number, right?
1 and 13.
1 and 13. Yeah, Sritej, what are common factors for 11 and 13?
Ma'am, just one.
Only one. So which the same we can call it as HCF of primes or any prime. HCF of co-primes is always 1, right? So can we call it as 11 and 13 as a co-primes? Yes, yes, very good. Good question by Vika. Very good, Advika. That's your observation done by the students. Good. Now next question, if you see the question number. The exercise, I think we did first 2 bits. We are with question number 3. It's regarding multiples. We know the multiples. What are the multiples of 6, children? You know very well 6. What are the multiples of 6? One by one, ma.
I'm 6, 12,
12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48.
Very good. So how you will get multiples? Which is the, how many multiples a number having? Yes, is it a finite or infinite number of multiples number? Does a number have finite number of multiples or infinite number of multiples?
infinite.
Infinite. The factors are?
Finite.
Factors are finite, multiples are infinite. Very good. So for 6 and 8. All right. Multiples of 6, 8. You know 6 multiples are 6, 12, 18,
Ma'am, I think
24.
we're about the factors.
What are what?
Ma'am, I think the question is asking about the factors.
No, it's multiples. You see, what are multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24. Once you are getting first common factor, what is the first common multiple here? Sorry, multiples. These are multiples of 6 and 8, right? So which is the common multiple?
24.
First common multiple.
24. Ma'am, 84. Ma'am, 24.
24 is the first common multiple. Once you are getting the first common multiple,
Ma'am, I think then we have to repeat the table of 24.
very good. Repeat the table of 24. Once you are getting the first one, so same table 24. What is the next multiple?
48.
48. Very good. 24 plus 24, which is 48. Then 48 plus 24.
72.
60. No, 72.
86.
Ma'am,
Next
19.
like that we can continuously we can write. Now, what is the least common? Our question is least common. There are many multiples. Least one is?
24. I'm 24.
Yes. Least common multiple, we can call it as in short form LCM. What is the LCM full form, children?
Least
Common multiple.
If they're asking the question as least common multiple, you need to find out the LCM. Hope you understood, children. There are many methods to find out LCM. We are just going with a general writing method, but no need of doing. There are multiple methods. I will help you, children. Along division method, we have division method, factor tree method. There are multiple methods we will do later. Next, 12 and 18. Come on, children, please find out for 12 and 18. 12 and 18. What are the multiples of 12 and multiples of 18?
Ma'am, 1, no.
12,
12, 24,
24,
36,
36,
48.
30.
48.
Here 18 multiples.
36.
36.
Once I'm getting the first multiple, my task was over, children. Why? Because just I'm writing to find out LCM, multiples, common multiples. Common multiples. 36. What is the next common multiple?
72.
Very good. Next one.
108.
108
8.
or 18?
144.
118. So 144. Yes, it's so on. Come on, least. What is the least one in the among these?
36.
36.
Least one is 36. So least one is 36. So what is the short form of this LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. So hope you understood, children. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Good. Now come to the next part. This is general method I'm helping children. There are multiple methods to calculate. We will go with a step-by-step prime factorization method, different methods. Now the question number 4, write all numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So common multiples of 3 and 4. What are the multiples of 3? First you have to write. First write multiples of 3.
3.
Yes, multiples of 3 is 3,
6.
6,
9. 12.
9, 12, and
50.
multiples of 4.
4. 8.
4.
12.
12.
So which is the least common multiple?
12.
And 12.
Sorry, common multiples are 12, 24, yes,
36.
36.
yes, 36,
48.
48.
48,
70.
60,
72.
then
84.
96.
84,
108.
no, but 108 is more than 100, right? It's more than 100. What they're asking? They're asking 1 to 100. The common factors, common multiples of 3 and 4, which is less than 100. So here, if you see all the numbers less than 100, which are common multiples of 3 and 4, means till where we are taking? Till
96.
Till where we are taking, children? Till we are taking 96. We are not taking 108. Why? Because 108 is more than 100. They're asking only less than 100. These are the common multiples of 3 and 4, which is less than 100. Clear the question, children? Any doubt in the question? Please read the question once again. Write all the numbers less than 100, which are common multiples of 3 and 4. Hope it is clear. Any doubt? Please go back to the... Yes, Adrika, any doubt? Aishwarya, Adrika. Soumya is here. Deepika joined today. Deepika, are you there? No, Deepika. Okay. Soumya, hope you understood. Any doubt here, Soumya? Please let me know.
No, ma'am.
Adrit, Ashwath, Sritej.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. Right. Now, which of the following numbers are co-primes? Your task is question number 5. Now, my question to Soumya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya, what are the check once 18 and 35 are co-primes or not?
1 minute.
How to check co-primes, children? You have to write factors of 18, factors
Ma'am,
of 35. Yes.
ma'am, it is not. Why? Because 18 comes in 9 table
Uh-huh.
and yeah, 35 comes in 5 table.
Very good. Factors of 35. Write down, children, all factors 1, 2, then 3, 4, not 4, 6, 6, then
9.
9, 18. Now coming to 35. What are the
Ma'am,
factors of
1,
35, children?
1, 3, 5.
1, 5,
Uh,
7 5s are 35, right? 1, 5, 7, 35. What are the common factors? Common factors.
ma'am, none. 1 only.
So common factor is 1, no other number. Can we say common factor as 1, such a numbers? What type of numbers?
Co-primes.
Can we say these 18 and 35 are co-primes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Yes. Yes, Sadvika, is it co-primes or not? Yes, they are co-primes. Now the question 2 for Sritej 15 and 37.
Yes, ma'am.
Sritej
Yes, ma'am.
15 and 37.
The factors of 50 are 3,
1,
1,
3,
5,
1, 3, 5, and 15. What are the factors of 37 is a prime number? Only two factors. 1 and
1 and 37.
so what are common factors?
Common factor is 1.
Only one. So can we call it as the numbers 15 and 37 are co-primes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they are co-primes. Yes, they are co-primes. You have to, yes. Very important concept, children. Please learn. Now, next question to Adrit. Adrit,
Yes, ma'am.
30 and 415 beta.
Ma'am,
30 and 415.
ma'am 30. Ma'am,
Hmm.
1,
Hmm.
3, 2,
Hmm.
3,
Yes.
5.
And so on. Okay. Next. 5, 6, and 15
15, 30.
and 30. Right. Next, what are the factors for?
Ma'am, 10 also.
Yes, very good. 10 also. Good. What are the factors of
Ma'am, 1.
4? 5, you can write 5 because the end is it is 0 or 5 means it is exactly divisible by 5 table. What are common factors? There are many, but what are common factors? Except one, we have 5 also.
Ma'am,
So can we say these are
no, ma'am.
is it co-primes?
No, ma'am.
No, they are not co-primes.
Ma'am, because
No.
5 is coming.
Yeah, 5 is common here. Both the numbers, they are non-co-primes. They are not co-primes. Their HCF is not 1. Now next question, Ashwath, 17 and 68. Ashwath,
Ma'am, 1.
17 and 68.
Ma'am, 1.
1 and 17. Why? Because it is a prime number. Only two factors.
1, 2.
It's going 17 table or not? You check it. Then we are 17 4 times. How much?
No, ma'am.
17 fours are
Mm, 71.
58.
17 4 times. Multiply and let me know. I'll give punishment if you are saying wrong. What is the value of 17 fours are? Ashwath,
68.
60? Advika, wait, very good. 68. So, what are the, we can write even 4 and 17 as the factors, right? Because what are the common factors? If you check, there is a common factor. One, not only one, we have 17 is also common factor. Is 17 and 68 are co-primes?
No, ma'am.
They are not co-primes. They are not co-primes. Next question to the student. Adrit. Yes, very good, Adrit. Got your
Ma'am,
answers.
you didn't give me any
Aishwarya,
chance.
Aishwarya, please respond, Aishwarya. 215 and 216. By looking only, you can say this.
Yes, ma'am.
216. These are consecutive numbers, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Consecutive numbers, what is HCF of consecutive numbers?
Ma'am, the least? 1.
1. So directly, is it co-primes?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Because these are adjacent numbers, right? HCF is 1.
Okay.
Always, not only these numbers, beta, if you see anywhere, 2 and 3 are consecutive. HCF of these are 1. So these are co-primes. Always consecutive numbers are co-primes. 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 11, 8 and 9. What is 100 and what number makes you co-primes? 100 and
101.
very good. These are co-primes. Very good. These all are consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means side by side numbers, children, adjacent numbers. Consecutive numbers is always co-primes. Please note that point, children. Consecutive numbers is always co-primes. Their HCF is 1. Yes. Consecutive numbers are always,
Co-prime.
yes, consecutive numbers are co-primes. Examples, you can write. The examples, if you want, you can write 3, 4. HCF of 3, 4 is 1. HCF of 4 and 5 is 1. HCF of 15 and 16 is 1. HCF of 100 and 101 is not only these, any consecutive numbers. 1. HCF of 216 and 215. Yes, these are consecutive numbers or not? Yes or no? So it's always 1. By looking only, you can say, children, now whenever you are getting consecutive numbers, by looking, you can answer that bit. Now 81 and 16. Who did not get Advika, Sri Tej, Ashwarya, Advika, Adrit was done. Soumya, okay. Advika, 81 and 16 are co-primes or not?
No, ma'am.
80. Why? Reason. 81 and 16.
Ma'am, 81 comes in 3 tables. And 16 comes in 8 tables.
Okay, that's okay. My question is, is these two numbers are co-primes or not?
Ma'am, they are not.
Why?
Ma'am, why? Because 81 comes in 3 tables.
No, you have to say the factors of 81.
Okay, ma'am.
1,
1, 3,
3, 9.
yeah, 9, and 81. Ma'am, and 81.
Okay, 81. What are the factors of 16? Sorry, children. What are the factors of 16? Advika, what are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. What are the common factors? What are the common factors here? Common
Ma'am,
factor as
it's
well as highest common factor is 1. So can we call it as 81 and 16 are co-primes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Don't confuse for co-primes and prime numbers, children. Co-primes are different, prime numbers are different. Now, we'll go to question number 6, please. Advika, read question number 6. Aishwarya, please read the question number 6.
Yes, ma'am. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12, by which
Very good. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12.
by which other number will that number be always divisible?
Yes. This is application part of your previous part. These are divisible by both, number is divisible by both 5 and 12. Divisible means, the word divisible means?
That it should be divided. It can be divided.
So you see, children, if any number is divisible by both the numbers means the product is also always divisible. The product of 5 and 12. The product of 5 and 12 is the number that should be always divisible by 5 and 12. You see, what is the product of 5 and 12? What is the product of 5 and 12?
60.
60 is divisible by 5? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
12 is divisible by 60 is divisible by 12.
Yes.
So what is the conclusion statement we can write? If a number is divisible by both 5 and 12, therefore by which other number will that number is always divisible means the product of those two numbers. The product of those two numbers is always divisible by the numbers. So product of 5 and 12 is 60. The 60 is the other number. Will that number be always divisible by 5 and 12? This is very important application, children. We will learn this is a basic question, but there are multiple questions may be asked on this concept. If any number is divisible by given numbers, so the product is also always divisible by the numbers. Always divisible by the numbers. Product of those two numbers. That's why we are multiplying 5 into 12. 60 is the number which is always divisible by both the numbers. Now, seventh question. A number is divisible by 12. If a number is divisible by 12, by what other number will the number is divisible? By what other numbers will that number be divisible?
Ma'am, 50.
This is a so wonderful question, children. You have to write the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12?
Ma'am, 1,
Yes. What are the factors of 12, children?
2,
3, 4, 6,
1, 2,
Factors
3,
of 12 are
5, 3. 4,
12 are 1,
six,
comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 6 and 12. So our question is, if your number is divisible, see the question. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will the number be divisible? It's always divisible by its factors, children. The number is divisible by 12 means it always divisible by its factors of 12. Factors of 12 too. Therefore, the number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. You can write the numbers is always divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6 also. Any number is divisible by 12. If you take a number 48, 48 is divisible by 12. Yes. So now you have to check 48. What are the other numbers? The 48 will be divisible means the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? Yes, 48 is also divisible by 2. Yes, because it is even number. 48 is also divisible by 3. 48 is also divisible by 4. Yes, 48 is also divisible by 6. That means the factors of 12, it's always divisible by the factors of 12. 2.
Ma'am,
Yeah, please, ma'am.
can 62 be divided by 12?
Which is the question? What is the question?
Ma'am, can
60.
62 be divided by 12?
62 is not a 12 factor, right? What are the factors of 12?
Ma'am, actually 60 can also come.
60 will come. 60 will come, but not 60. She's asking about 62. What are the factors of 12? You have to check. If 12 is not divisible by 62, it is not divisible by 12 only. If it is, suppose the number 60 is divisible by 12, what other numbers it may divisible means the factors of 12 is also divisible by the number. The factors of 12 is also divisible by the number.
Okay, ma'am.
It's more important question, children. Last two bits are very, very important. This is application part. One is a number is divisible by both the numbers means the product is also divisible by the numbers. And here a number is divisible by 12 means what other numbers that number is divisible means factors of 12 is also divisible by the numbers. Now prime factorization. How to find prime factorization? It's very important, children. Prime factorization can be done in both the methods. One is long division method. Another one is tree method. Your wish you can do in any method. Division method or factor tree method. This is the tree method. And the division method is, this is the division method. Suppose the same number 980 we can take. Yes, ma'am?
Ma'am, I know both the methods.
Very good, very good. Can we go with both the methods? The factors are same or not? Can we check right now? For one number we are taking. We are checking for both ways. Prime factorization can be done into both the methods. One is long division method, another one is tree method. Now the number is 980. Prime factorization, very, very important. Prime factorization. What is the meaning of prime factorization? We are expressing the number as a product of prime numbers. Expressing number as a product of as a product of prime number, as a product of prime numbers. Let me check. 980. Prime factorization can be done in two methods. One is a long division method. One is a division method. Another one is a tree method. Factor tree method or tree method. Anything you can children. This is they mentioned sometimes a factor tree method, here long division method, your wish. But any method you can do. If they're asking prime, particularly they're asking long division method means you can go. Particularly they're asking tree method means you can do. But nothing is in express as a prime factorization means you can do in any method. Now the question is example we are taking as 980. 980. We are taking as a prime factorization method. We are expressing a number as a product of prime numbers. For that first method, I'm taking as division method. How we are going to do division method means least prime number. What is the least prime number, children?
Ma'am, 2.
What? 2. 2, if you divide 980 by 2, see, you can do horizontal division also, children. 2 table, 1 number you take. 2 table, 9 is coming? No. Below 9, 8. 8, how many times? 4 times. Or else 980, half of 980 is 490. Once again, you just divide the number with
2.
2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Here once again, go with the end digit is 5 means divisible rule, 5 rule you can apply. 5 5s are 5 4s are 20. 5 9s are 45. Now 49 comes under 7 table. 7 is a prime number. 7 7s are 49. You can stop division. Some teachers, they will help you to do till 1. 7 1s are 7. You can stop. Your wish, children, if you stop here also, it's correct. Now 980 can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. 2, how many times order wise you should write, children? First number order 2 2 times. Then 5 repeated 1 time. Then 7 repeated 2 times. This you can even write it as 2 square, 5 into 7 square. These are the prime factorization method. If you multiply all these factors, you will get once again 980 if you are doing correct. The factor tree method. How to get factor tree method means you just same way, same procedure. Go with the 2, half of 980 is 490. Among these 2 and 492 is a prime number. We cannot further divide. 490 is a composite number. You can further make branches to that. So that this once again 2, how many times? 245 times. Once again, this can be written as 2 is a prime number. So you circle it. 245 is a composite number. Further, you make branches to that. So how many times? 5? 49 times. 5 is a prime number. 49 is a composite number. Further, you can break up using the branches. So 7 7s are 49. 7 is a prime number. You can stop the division. Now write product of all the numbers like 980 can be expressed as a product of prime number. 2 repeated, all circles. Wherever I made a prime numbers, so that numbers you have to write. 5 1 time, 7 2 times. So 7 into 7. Same thing, children. If you write the square numbers can be a same number repeated means we can express as a power notation. So 2 square into 5 into 7 square. If any method, if you are doing, the answer is same, children. If you do either long division method or tree method, both the methods, the answer is same. Hope you understood the prime factorization, children. Any doubt? Any doubt? Tree method as well as prime factorization method. Now you go for the question number exercise 3.5. There is a 60. 60 can be expressed as, how 60 can be expressed? 6 tens are 60. Yes or no,
Ma'am?
children? Yes.
Ma'am, may I say the blanks?
Yeah, please, Advika.
Ma'am, for the left one, it is 3.
Mhm.
2 3s are
Very
6.
good.
And then for the rightmost side, it is 2.
Very good. Very good. So, what are the prime factors for this 60? Two square multiplied with 3 multiplied with 5, right? Very good. Children, Advika said is correct. Very good. See here, 60 can be expressed, they are expressing, you can do any method, children. 60. We know that 60, how we have to express further. 60, 6, 10 times. Yes or no? 6 multiplied with 10 times 60. So 6 and 10 both are composite numbers. You should not circle. You have to further make the branches to that. So the 6 can be expressed as
2 and 3.
6 can 3 and 2 or 2 and 3, anything you can, but 3 is a prime number, make a circle. 2 is also prime number, you can make a circle. Now 10 again further expressed as a product of 2 into 5, yes or no? 2 5s are 10, where 2 and 5 are composite, prime numbers. Now 60 can be expressed as a product of prime, means 2 repeated how many times? 2 times. Then 3 repeated 1 time. Then 5 repeated. You can express in this way, or even you can express power notation also. 2 square, 3, 5. Today's your homework is the part of I'm not going much about children, because you can practice a few more questions. B-bit. What is the answer for B-bit? Please text me, everyone, in the chat box. 60 in different ways they are expressing. 60 they're dividing into 2 ways. First way is 6 10 times 60. Second way is 30 how many times 60? Please text me the blanks of B-bit. From top to bottom you can, or else left to right you can. Yes, I got an answer from the student. Very good. Very good, Adrit, on the top 3. Right. No, on the top, is it 3, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
No, 33 times how much?
Ma'am,
90.
sorry, ma'am, 2.
2. Advika given 30 twice. Very good. 10 prize. 30. 5 twos. Very good, Advika. Advika, you are giving absolutely correct answer. 2, 3, 5, 2. Very good. Even Adrit also given right answer. Good. Right, Ashwath. Ashwath, you are correct. Yes, Sritej, correct. Very good. Yes. Aishwarya, I did not get your response. Everyone are messaging. You are not giving it. Are you there,
Yes,
Aishwarya?
I'm typing now.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Ma'am, I disconnected from the meeting. Can you tell what happened?
Huh. Yeah, this is Soumya. The second one, you see, first bit we discussed 60 can be expressed in different way. Second one, they gave 60, 30 into what number makes you 60? Yes.
Okay, ma'am. We're doing
You
the
can fill
second
the
one.
blanks. Yeah, yeah, you can fill the blanks.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you see who are completed. Check the question number 2. Which factors are not included in prime factorization of composite number? If you see anywhere, number 1 and the same number is not included. Yes or no, children? If you see anywhere, 1 is not included and the number is also not included in prime factorization of a composite number. 60 can be expressed as 1 into 60. We should not write 1 into 60. Those are not included in prime factorization of a composite number. That's more important. Now, the third bit is write the greatest 4-digit number and express in terms of prime factors. Now, the question to Ashwath. Ashwath, what is the greatest 4-digit number?
Ma'am,
Ashwath,
9,999.
can you express as a product of prime factors? He said 9,999. Can you express as a product which table it is divisible, ma? Which is the least prime number which is exactly divisible? Yes. Can I take 3 table? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I take once again 3 table?
Yes.
Shall I take once again 11 table? You can stop. 101 is a prime number. You can express 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. The same thing you can write it as 3 square into 11 into 101.
$99 into 101.
Yes. We are only expressing as a product of prime numbers now. 99 is not a prime number, right?
No, ma'am.
Only we should express as a product of, you can, okay. Of course, you are telling a ma'am it's 99 into 101. You can, because 999 can be written as 101. You can express, but further is a prime number. You can circle it. This is not a prime number. You can further product of 11 nines are 99. 11 is a prime number. Further 9 can be splitted. 3 3s are 9. 3 and 3 are prime numbers. Now you can express 3 into 3, 11 one time and 101. You can even write as a prime factors. That's about day, children. I won't give much of the part. You can do the rest of the bits as a homework today. You can, I'll just
Can
discuss
we
how you.
conduct a quiz?
Sure, sure. We will go with a quiz. Today, what are the takeaway points of today's class, children? One is co-prime numbers. Did
Ma'am, you
composite
can conduct composite numbers.
yes. Did consecutive numbers are co-primes? That's my question to the class. Did consecutive numbers are co-primes?
All consecutive numbers are always
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. All consecutive numbers are all. What is the HCF of consecutive numbers?
1. 1.
That's all. Very good. That's the one point, very important point. And prime factorization can be done in two ways. One is factor tree method. Another one is long division method. If you do any method, the factors are same. So what is prime factorization means? We can express as a product of prime numbers. A number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers as factorization. We call it as prime factorization. That's about today's class, children. We are now. Please try as a homework the question number 4, 5. The product of consecutive numbers always divisible by 6. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. You can do as a homework 4, 5, 6, 7, children. Today's homework is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you conduct a quiz on composite
Yes.
numbers?
Yes, we will go with the composite numbers are more than 2 factors. That's all. Surely we will discuss. Can you do the rest of the bits as a homework today?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what?
You see, 10th bit, I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me?
Ma'am, from 6th to 10th.
No, I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 7? That is the number. You
Ma'am,
can think
from
and
what bit to what bit?
4th bit to try for till 10. If not possible, at least 4, 5, 6, 7 is mandatory. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for the day, children. Please, we are doing with a small quiz. Please note down the points. A very important class today because co-crimes are always HCF is 1. Consecutive numbers always co-crimes. HCF of consecutive numbers is 1.
Question 2, not 210.
Adrit?
Ma'am, is the 10th answer 210?
Absolutely correct, Adrit. Very good. Very good. Very good. So product of 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30.
Ma'am,
30 into 7 is?
210.
That's all. Very good. Yeah, someone is calling. Advika?
Ma'am,
Huh.
can you share the date? I've taken screenshot.
Okay, 1 minute. You can, okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Wait, I'll just share my screen once again. So you can. Children, who want, please take the screenshot of the questions from 2 to 10. So you can try in home. Because alternate days, 1 day gap you have, because anyway holidays you can try it. Not if not possible, if it is you are facing difficulty, we will discuss in the class. Don't worry, ma'am. I did not get, but you gave as a homework.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Shall I stop share?
Yes, ma'am.
Advika? Okay. Children, we are doing a quiz, a small quiz for you today because the children are very eagerly waiting for quiz. I know that Ashwath is always with Can we play only 10 questions, children? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, quiz is ready, children. If any questions are not known to you, please don't worry. We will see that in next class.
Can you post it in the chat?
Yeah, I'm posting, children. I'm posting in the chat box. Yeah, please check once the chat box. Come on, quickly join. Sritej, Adrit joined. Come on. Others, please quickly. Yes, Soumya, Ashwath, Aishwarya joined. Ashwath and Advika should join. Yeah, Ashwath joined. Advika, please join, ma.
Ma'am, 2
Advika, are
minutes,
you?
I'm uploading.
Okay, okay. My students are taking some powers. Yes. Yeah. All the best, all of you children. Once you are done means you can leave, children. Don't wait for me. We will discuss the next class results. Bye. All the best, all of you. Very good. Aishwarya is doing more speed. Yes, Sritej, Adrit was completed. Very good. And Aishwarya is doing very steadily. She is doing. Ashwath, good, completed. Soumya and Advika are doing.
Ma'am, what is my rank?
Ashwath, still right now you are in second place, Ashwath. Sritej is in third place, and Adrit is in, sorry, Sritej first, Ashwath second, Adrit is third. Aishwarya and Soumya, Advika are doing. Who is this? John. Who
Ma'am,
is this John? Who
Ma'am,
is
can
this
you
John?
share the screen?
Sure, 1 minute, ma.
Now I by mistakenly with my mouse pad did something. All the keys
Uh-huh.
were pressed and something happened.
Oh. For whom? It's Soumya's?
No, ma'am. I think Ashwat.
Sure. Yeah, I think you are able to see right now, children. Aishwarya also steadily she is doing somewhere the perfect number. I think most of the kids are doing wrong, right?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't understand what was the perfect one.
That number tomorrow we'll
Ma'am, I
discuss. What?
got wrong in two.
And it showed the correct answer was 6.
Yeah, it's 6 only. But tomorrow I'll help you, children. If you see the product, sum of all the factors. If you sum of all the factors, the same number you will get, children. That's a perfect number. Next class we will see with examples. Okay, bye, children. Have a good day. Very good. Aishwarya is steadily, she is doing good, Aishwarya. But initially she was very good. All of you very good children. Sritej, Aishwarya, Ashwath, Adrit, Soumya, everyone are doing great work. Advika too. Still one last bit she is doing. Let her complete. We'll because it depends on network also, children. The quizzes depends on network. Very good job. Bye, children. Have a good day.